this is Lydia. Today I'm very glad to introduce you guys this 2-deck pizza oven. First of all, you can check the whole body material is 430 stainless steel. And the chamber inside is aluminizing, and we also match the stone plate and the isolated heating tubes inside. And there are totally 3 temperature controllers from 50 degrees to 300 degrees. The 2 decks will work separately. How do you guys feel about this product? Are you interested?